The Tale of Genji. Today, I want to talk about the Tale of Genji, one of the most important works of literature in the world. The story focuses heavily on love, relationship, and human emotion. Genji has many romantic encounters, but these relationships often lead to sadness, jealousy, and regret. Through the experience, the novel shows that happiness is temporary and that human emotions are complex and fragile. This idea reflects the Japanese concept of mono no aware, which means as awareness of the impermanence of life. Another important theme in the tale of Genji is social status and court life. The novels gives readers a detailed look into the lives of nobles in the Heian court, including their costume, clothing, poetry, and tradition. It shows how reputation and rank greatly influence a person's fate. Even Genji, who seems perfect, cannot escape the rules of society. What makes this novel remarkable is its psychological depth. Instead of focusing on action, the story explores the truth and emotion of each characters. This was very advanced for its time, and it's one reason why the novel is still studied today. The Tale of Genji is more than just a story about a prize. It is a powerful exploration of love, loss, and the fleeting nature of life.